This is Gaty, and she's about to romanticize her entire Saturday today. Looks like she finally cracked the golf code. She's also buying books she won't finish and new perfumes she definitely didn't need. This fluffball turns into a mini lion on vaccination day. Let's begin.
Hi guys, welcome to a little cute day in my life. Today my husband is actually off, so we are going to play golf. I'm just going to be, doing two-step skincare right now. I just go in with this peptide skin booster from Cosrx and just my sunscreen. I would normally just go in with the sunscreen, but today I just felt like putting this one on. It just does not make sense to do an entire skincare routine when you sweat it off. So we're going to a cafe right now, which is close by to the golf place. I wanted to go to Krishna restaurant because I was craving for dosa, but I think the dosa counter is closed. So we are going to have some breakfast at this place called Ciclo Cafe. So super excited. Yeah, I'm always craving dosas, guys. I don't know what, but I think I love having dosa or idli in the mornings. It's just so soul-filling. Oh, fried meat. So we have ordered one avocado smoothie bowl, and what did you order?
Yeah, chicken ham bagel.
One chicken ham bagel. I can't find it, but yeah. She did mention that the avocado smoothie bowl is super filling. I do not know how I'm going to complete it, but we'll see. It looks so good. So that's my bowl, and that's his bagel. So good. Try it. I'm trying his bagel. What does this have inside? Egg and salami or ham. That's ham. Got done with playing golf. How did I play?
Perfect. You improved so much. Amazing.
Yeah, thanks to my coach. We got our visa application done a few weeks back, so our passports are ready, so we're going to collect that now, and I really cannot say where we are going, but we're going somewhere in Europe. It's somewhere cold, so you can guess where. Also, since it's cold, so we need a lot of winter jackets and winter clothing basically. So we will be stopping by Decathlon as well, since it's in the same building, like the same mall. So pretty much that's the scene like for now. We are moving, so we'll have to change plans now. Out of the shower, I'm going to do my skincare now, and we will be leaving in just some time, like around 30 minutes or so, to the vet. So basically, I do have two cats. It's called Angie, one is called Quinn. Quinn gets her vaccination done in just one go. There is no fuss. Like, she literally loves the doctor, you guys. But my other cat, Angie, she literally hates the doctor, you guys. She would like hiss at them, scream at them, bite them. Doctors literally get scared of her, and I do not blame them. So her vaccination is literally pending, and we need to take her today. So we hope she literally behaves. I do have some time left, so I am going to change my bed sheets because it's been a while and I need to change them. So I'm going to do that now. So the doctor did mention that she does not really need her vaccination this year since she is always indoors. So it can be done like after 1.5 or 2 years. So Angie was pretty happy today, but she had to get her deworming tablet, and we were just preparing her for that.
Even worse. Dead dog.
So my husband's cooking rajma chawal. He literally cooks so very well. Like, he's literally the chef in the house.
No, not
Literally cooking this entire week, and I'm just enjoying his cooking. So we're planning to watch this animated movie called Flow.
Cats also watch it, because it's actually something which captivates their imagination.
Yeah, so we'll try with our cats if they actually like it. Let's see. It is 4 p.m. you guys. Time for some me time. I'm just putting on the eye patch. I feel like I do not really get time to put these on, or I just forget. I did get a few perfumes, so let me show you. I did get these 3 sets of perfumes from Fraganote. It's my first time, testing out this brand and trying perfumes, so I'm super excited. The first one is Juicy Melon. Let's try her out. Ooh, it's so fresh. Literally smells like melons, you guys, like watermelon. I really like it. Next we have Pineapple Club. It has notes of pineapple, orange peel, green apple. I am super excited to try this. Looks so pretty. This does smell like pineapple, but I have to say it's not really my favorite. It is a little strong to my nose, so maybe I'm going to let this sit around and then probably test it out again. And lastly, we have a mango perfume. This is called Not Just Mango. It has notes of mango, apricot, mango ice cream, lychee, and floral notes. I am like so excited to try this. No, this literally smells like mangoes. Okay, we clearly have a winner. She is just so pretty. Literally smells like mangoes. It also gives me a very soapy vibe. So I love soap. I love mangoes. I love her. Also, I did finish reading this book, Becoming Supernatural, so I'm super proud of myself because I at least got done with reading one book. This is all about quantum healing and basically energy. So if you guys are into manifestation or spiritual stuff that is actually backed by science, then you guys are going to love this. I wanted to read more, so I got myself a few books. First one is Big Magic. I have Before the Coffee Gets Cold. This is about a time travel story, so I am super excited to read this one out of all. I think I'm gonna read this tonight if I have time. The last book that I picked up is Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down. Again, super excited to read this as well, but I think I will stick to this one first. I'm going to catch up on my mid-year goals right now and also some journaling because I haven't been journaling. Like, that is one thing I haven't been doing this entire year. But yeah, I feel like 6 months actually just passed away so very quickly. So it's literally time to reset for the next 6 months, or basically just July. So I'm going to do that now because I need to get things sorted. We are heading out for movie. It's basically a late night movie date night. Movie is at 10:30, but we are planning to go out for dinner in the same mall like where the movie is. So I am literally wearing this because I feel like 10:30 is like grandma bedtime for me. Like, I do not like going anywhere out so late, so I am literally wearing the most comfiest outfit. It's also going to be like super late when we come back, so I am doing my nighttime skincare right now because I did not really want to, just sleep without my nighttime skincare. Tonight I went in with this toner from Face Skin. It's their Hydro Milk Toner and I pretty much really love this. I feel like this is an all year round kind of toner because it also works in the winter. It also works like during summer, especially nighttime. We are going for Train Your Dragon movie and I'm super excited to watch it. I feel like I literally am such a kid at heart. Like, these kind of movies make me so happy, like makes my inner child so happy, and it's just something I vibe with. Let me know if you guys have watched it and what are your thoughts on it. The ratings on this movie is like amazing, so I'm sure it's going to be really nice. I'm just going to finish off with this moisturizer from Nutriderm. I kind of lost this moisturizer in my house because I tend to mess things up, so I finally found it and it is such a good moisturizer for nighttime skincare. It just keeps my skin so plump, so moisturized. It has a very subtle light scent to it. I normally do not enjoy scents in my skincare anymore, but this one surprised me because I kind of really enjoy it. It has a very calming, sense to it. So on this lip shade from Rocha, it's in the shade Pookie and I really quite enjoy this. I'm also going to top it off with this lip oil. It's from Blur. And pretty much this is everything I do for a late night movie show because I do not like to put makeup in general, and makeup for a movie that also late night is just not my thing. Being comfortable is literally my thing. So yeah, I think we shall leave now. I'm so sorry for boring you guys with my talks. Also, my scent for tonight is going to be Not Just Mango from Fraganote. This one smells so good, you guys. Like, it starts with this fresh mango and then so good. It literally dries down into a very musky baby powder kind of scent, like very skin scent. So I really love all of those notes. So this one is really nice. movie was a complete 10 on 10. I personally really enjoyed it. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye.